All right, guys, it is finally time for the cruise through Duval Street. So we got the GT3RS in front of us. In front of him, we've got Matt from rear wheel drive in the C8. Let's see if we can get a better view. I cannot get enough of the booty on this GT3RS. That thing. Alright guys, this is pretty dang awesome. All the people, oh, that sounds so good. All the people are loving seeing all the cars coming down. I mean, watch. I don't know if you guys can see the audio, already just took off a little bit back there. Alright, so the guy riding around on the one wheel is probably my favorite person of the whole rally right now. Oh man, this is an awesome end so far. I mean, technically we're not over yet. We still got the rest of the night, so we'll see, we'll see. Oh, there goes Frankie. Hey guys. Man, I can't even see Matt in the C8 up there anymore. Alright, the wheel runner. Look at the dog. Thank you. Right there. All right, guys, this is going pretty good. Oh, man, everybody's stopping at some point. Oh, we're getting all the pictures. How you feeling, bro? Dude, this shit's been legit.
It's so simple.
Come on! Alright, don't forget! Rear wheel drive on YouTube! Dude, give me a picture. You got it. Give me right back to my car. Yeah. No, I'll get you real quick. Oh, hello.
Hi.
Dude, I went out there to get a couple cars before I knew it. Did half the rally. Yes, that is a Range Rover, guys. This thing is badass. Oh, all right, thanks, guys. All right, guys, I am out of breath. I was just running up and down these cars so I can get some extra footage, and it was awesome. Everybody was revving it for me. I got a lot of footage of members I'll be sending out to them so they can have it. I got Chad in the Range Rover to give me a ride back to my car, so that was pretty good, so I didn't have to run back. But this has been an awesome day for the rally. So let's see, hopefully we get some more footage going on. Oh, here we go. Guy on the I believe it's called a big wheel or one wheel. This thing is epic. All right, let's get back to the front. And this right here, that's the loudest GTO you will find. He had a punctured tank and he still made it. All right, guys, I take it back. Now that's an end to the Corsa Rally. I can't wait till next year. This is gonna be amazing. This will definitely be the last time you see Thomas's Aventador. It is now gonna be going for sale. He's getting a spider purple on it, so that's gonna be pretty awesome. And we got this guy's Aventador. I didn't catch his name. I just know he's got a brand new splitter waiting for home because day one of the rally. All right, so this V2 is about it. Mine doesn't sound like that. Oh man.
That was good. That camera's toast. It still has like this. I think it's that was your mom's car too.
I should have.
Oh my god. Yeah, mine looks. Yeah, mine's good. Thank you. That was, mine does not even sound close to that. All right, guys, so this was pretty cool. We were in the middle of peeling the stickers off of the car, and the guy that runs these not the rallies, but the Cars and Coffee here, he just pulled up in his Mustang, and I hope it shows up on camera. I don't think it will, but I just still want to show it anyway. So check this out. Back in, I think it's only 11 and 12, right? Oh, 12 only, so it's only in 2012. They had this color called Lava Red. I don't know if it's gonna show up. So it is a red that is almost black, and whenever the light hits it, you can really see it. I don't know if it's gonna photograph well, but this thing is amazing. This is probably one of the rarest Mustangs you're gonna find as far as like color options and everything. Like, this is sick. Oh my goodness, let me see if I can get I'm gonna try to get a few angles here, see if the color really pops out. Like, I really wanted to find one of these, but to find one is just, it's incredible. That's why I ended up just going with my red S550. Oh my god, that's amazing. I get a little exhaust clip. He left it running here. Oh, he's got a nice little board exhaust, nice little idle. Oh man, that is so nice. Check out that interior. It's pretty clean interior. This thing is mint for being a 2012. That's awesome, man. All right, so I'm gonna go back. I know Ashley's gonna kill me if I don't jump back on helping her with these stickers, but we need to get on the road soon and beat this traffic. I just had to admire that. That is awesome. That really is awesome, but I'll catch you guys in a bit. All right, guys, so that is pretty awesome. We got this view out here with all the cars. We've got the SVR, we've got the ATSV, the C8, the gt3rs. This is pretty freaking awesome. So we are headed back up the Keys, and we decided to stop here at this nice little spot to take some photos and everything. It's pretty dang, I mean, I love it. I love it so much. This has been an awesome trip, and we're just trying to make the most of it on the way out. All right, we're still cruising through the Keys, trying to get the heck out of here. Traffic's been horrible, but Matt's C8's looking so nice back there. Dang, that car looks so good. Okay guys, I thought I was gonna make it problem free from the rally. It was over, and well, on the way home my gas gauge stopped working, so I'm about to pull over at this gas station here. I didn't get a low fuel warning or anything, so I don't actually think it's related to fuel. It's probably just a sensor of some sort, or but I'm gonna let the car rest for a second and see if that does the trick in doing it, but I'm not sure. This is kind of weird. So in the middle of vlogging that, so I'm going down the interstate and I'm like, holy crap, it says I've got no gas. When I was like, okay, I'm just gonna pull over, I'll turn it off and everything and see what happens. In the middle of vlogging that, it comes back. As soon as I get to the gas station, it decides, oh, you know what, you've got gas, there you go. That kind of sucks. Wow. All right guys, it came back, but worse. There's a check engine light now. When I get home, I'll see if we can get that scanned and find out what exactly is going on. I'm sure it's just a fuel sensor, but I mean, no guarantees, so we'll find out. But let's finish getting home, get rested up, and get to editing. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed all the videos of the rally. It was an awesome experience. We'll definitely go again next year. As far as the Baby V, it is still under warranty, so we'll get it checked out, and I'm pretty sure it's just a sensor, but it'll get taken care of either way. But for now, I'll catch you guys in the next video.